My favorite lesson or activity that I have taught is probably, I'll say all of the Photoshop and Premiere stuff this year. This is my first year running the certification exams and just going through the content alongside my students because I got certified as well. Just being able to do something alongside them was great. But I also always enjoy the music unit because that's my background. I have a lot more students this year who are interested in music production. They came in kind of already doing music, and then the video production when students got to do their scary film, that went over really, really, really well.
One thing our teacher does, she gets us involved. We're never just sitting around. We're touching the stuff, learning while holding and touching everything.
She keeps our class entertaining. I feel like we don't really do boring stuff. It's just a lot, but it's never really boring. And I really like when we have tests, we do little game reviews. Those literally be my favorite days.
The project that made me feel the most proud, probably the Unwired Coffee podcast, because we worked on that as an entire class. It brought us all together, showed us that working as a team, we can get something done.
I'm always looking forward to coming to Multimedia because of just how much fun and all the cool experiences that we get to do. Music in general is something that I've always been interested in and all that, and getting to go through the history behind it, playing around with the CDs, records, getting on FL Studio and all that. That was something that I really enjoyed, and actually making our own music and all that, and doing it with other people. I really enjoyed it.
As a whole, what I want my students to take away is everything that we do in this class can be considered a side hustle. Even if you don't necessarily want to go into media as a full-time job, these are skills that people are always looking for, whether it's music production, whether it's video, whether it's graphics, whether it's just putting a slideshow together for maybe a graduation ceremony or something like that. Someone is always needing media work, so knowing that you always have these skills in your back pocket to get some extra money when you may need it.